What's up everyone, welcome to a new video. As you know already, in this channel you can find a lot of information about how I trade and some concepts about smart money, which are some concepts that I have inside of my strategy. Now, as I said already in many other videos or on my Instagram, if you follow me already, and if you don't, make sure to go follow me for also daily tips and to actually follow what I'm doing and my entries and my trades and so on. As I say many times, smart money is a great tool. It has some great concepts, but in my opinion, it is not something that makes you profitable. As you know, right now, it is very, very popular. A lot of traders are using smart money, including myself, keep in mind, but still the 90%, so the majority, 90% of traders, or maybe also 95% of traders are still losing money, as I say many times. And you might wonder why. Why everyone thinks that smart money makes a person profitable, but they still lose money. The reason why is because a system with an edge on the market is missing. Smart money has great concepts. They can be applied, they make you understand how the market moves. But if you don't have a system that is proven to work over time and is proven to give you that extra edge in the market, then it is not enough to actually be profitable. Of course, mindset and psychology plays a huge role, and you might argue that 90% of traders also lose because of that, and I agree that it plays a role inside of the overall 90% of traders, but this is not the only thing. Keep in mind that smart money needs to be contextualized inside of your strategy. With that being said, I hope that you will like this video. Make sure to subscribe, because I will drop 1 or 2 free videos with free education here on my YouTube every single week. And if you want to join my course for some extra education and to actually learn how I trade and to follow my setups and my entries, then the links are here below. I'll see you in the video.
Hi guys, this is Abby from Forex XL. In this video, you will able to have an idea to know your trading edge. So these are the trading edge that you must know. So this one is important to know. So if you follow us in IG and YouTube page, we give free consents and tell our strategy using smart money concept. So in IG, you can follow us in Forex_XL, and in YouTube channel, you can search Forex XL or Forex Trading XL. So let's get started. So to become a profitable trader and keep your performance consistently, you need to have a right trading mindset. So in trading, we need to care on 2 factors to become profitable trader. So number 1 is strategy. So this strategy involves this basic data like entry, stop loss, take profit, multi-time frame analysis, backtesting, and reducing your stress. So in Forex XL course, you will learn a lot of a strategy that will make you or have an edge in your trading style. So basically, we wanna analyze first the market using the multi-time frame analysis. So for in our example here in Euro USD, let's go in a 1-hour chart. So for me, this is the highest time frame that I could trade. So as you can see here, 1-hour time frame is in bearish market. So I'll just like to take note of that. And then in the recent move here, as you can see here, this move right here is very bearish. Like it broke this swing low here and gave a lot of imbalance, and then this range here is in Asian range, where, as you can see here in 15, so let's go on a 15-minute time frame. There is no momentum, unlike in this one. So if you avail the Forex XL course, this indicator is included. That is Asian session high, low, midlines. So in this strategy, you may encounter premium zones and discounted zones. So in this move, as you can see in the Asian range, this swing low here broke to the downside, and then it formed this support or supply rather in 15-minute time frame. So doing a multi time frame analysis, it's from 1 hour as a higher time frame down to 3 minutes or 1 minute time frame. So our bias is bearish. So we wanna look a bearish trend in 1 minute time frame. So as you can see here, I'd like to enter in, if I want to sell, I like to enter in a premium zone. So this is premium zone, right? So I wanted to enter within this range or above or within this premium zone. So I'd like to see a bearish movement. So the price come back in the premium zone. Okay. And this one in 1 minute time frame, it broke this mini structure here to the downside, and as you can see, the momentum is impulsive, bearish impulsive. So I wanted to place a sell here, and then put my stop loss above this area, and then on this Asian low. So you may also check your take profit in the higher time frame, like this one. We talked a lot of liquidity on our previous videos. Like this is the Asian low, which market could go and sweep all that liquidity, and then there's also liquidity here. There's a lot of buy stops here or stop loss here, so you can try to put your stop loss there. So now we have the basic data, which is the entry, the stop loss, and the take profit. As we already know, or we already have the multi time frame analysis. So as you try to like that one, try to play that previous move, it took the liquidity here, and on this one. So going back on our strategy, so that's basic data and multi-time frame analysis. And then going back to backtesting, in backtesting, for me, it's effective if you take note of all of this: entry, SL, and TP. And in our course, we share the backtesting file, and we use it to gain confidence with the strategy for us to be able to proceed with the trade. And in a way, this is to gain your discipline that you can follow. So some traders is like advised to have 100 times of back testing, 100 or more. times to to gain confidence on the strategy and to know the percentage of that strategy. So reducing your stress is, so by using smart money concepts, we always set buy or sell limits. In that case, you were not able to, or you're not like gonna wait the price on where to stop or when to entry. You can just like on our example earlier, once the price, because Asian session is so low or so slow, so the biggest move is in the London session and then in New York session. So when you're when you're when you are in Asian time zone, you just wanna um like set a sell limit here in this zone, and put your stop loss here, and then put your like any in what trading plan you wanted it to have, like this one, and then work on the other stuff that you have, and then go back after any, like, open your charts during London or in New York, so that your time is not wasted in watching the charts all day. Let's go with the second edge that you must know, which is the risk management. So in risk management, um we wanted to highlight this, or we wanted to um make sure that our plan is, we made a plan, and we trade our plan. So our plan is, to have this basic data, have a multi-time frame analysis, and then we stick to it, and then we trade our plan, which have 0.5 to 1% risk per trade. So it depends on you, but for us, we always tell the students to have 0.5 to 1% risk per trade, so that you still manage your risk even if you have 10 losses in a week. And it's very important to know your exit, because sometimes when we see the charts in live, um sometimes the price didn't match our bias, like the momentum, like in this case, in the Euro USD case, it's in bearish. But sometimes when it's in live and it's in current situation, the price is moving a bullish move, but your bias is in bearish. So if it's like your the momentum doesn't support your bias, and then you may exit the trade or put your stop loss and break even, so that um you will not lose a lot of money. But of course, if you're not confident on what the market is showing in your chart, then that's it. You can exit, or you can still stick to your plan, because even if your stop loss hit, but sticking to your plan and following your risk management, that is still valid. What important is to come back stronger, and uh to analyze that loss and make that a learning curve for your trading journey. So that's it for me, guys. I hope that there's a lesson on this, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.